Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the deep research. So this is the new feature of the OpenAI ChatGPT, introducing deep research, an agent that uses reasoning to synthesize large amounts of online information and complete multi-step research tasks for you. Available to Pro user today, Plus and Team Next. So here this is the borderline pro users, plus and team next. So for the free one, the free account, you cannot use the deep research yet. You have to upgrade your account. So here, if you already upgrade your account, you will enjoy this feature. This is the deep research feature. So here, for example, compile a research report on how the retail industry has changed in past 3 years. Use balls and tables, and here the ChatGPT will show you the complete research. So here we go. So this is the brief information, detailed information, how it works, humanity last exam, Gaia, and this is the example, level 1 and level 3, and expert level task. So you can learn about this later. So the important thing is you have to upgrade your account in order to use this deep research. So another example, I try to use without deep research, compile research on a black samurai, and this is the result of ChatGPT non or just regular account without upgrading plan. So this is detailed. For me, this is very detailed about Yasuke, the African samurai, and so on. But if you use deep research, there will be a deep research button in here. You will get more more information about the research of this black samurai historical overview. This is overview, but deep research a historical detail. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.